This is Supriya studying painting in Chitrakala Parishad.
This is Aditi studying in foundation at Chitrakala Parishad.
This is Akhila studying painting from Chitrakala Parishad.
I am Cyril Prasad studying in Chitrakala Parishad, Applied Art Department. I am Arunya Rajgupta from.
I am Kushi studying in Chitrakala Parishad and Foundation Department.
I am Arunya Rajgupta from Chitrakala Parishad, Painting Department.
I am Vaidehi. I study applied art in Chitrakala Parishad.
I am Surabhi from Applied Arts Department, Chitrakala Parishad. I am Kushi studying Applied Art Department from Chitrakala Parishad. I am Surabhi, Painting Department, Chitrakala Parishad.
I am Raven, Applied Art Department from Chitrakala.
Today we have gathered here for practicing 20th Chitra Sante music. We all are here for the music performance. We are the music group. We'll be performing Janapada Gite and Ranga Gite Garu for the performance.
Perform. Start.
Anna